Morning. Good morning. Let's see what's going on with these charts today. All right, let's start with gold. Give me 1 second. All right, gold. So yesterday I said if gold closes above this resistance 2658, I think it will continue up. We do have this clean range to the left. I don't think much is going to happen during NY because I believe New York session is going to close early due to that Jimmy Carter's, the old president's funeral. So I believe it's going to be a short NY session today, and that's why unemployment claims were yesterday when it's usually on Thursdays. So I'm anticipating a wick fill, so at least to 2669, and then possibly further up NFP on Friday, or maybe a drop, depends on those NFP numbers. But I think gold is going to keep pushing up. So 4 hours kind of choppy, it's a bit rangy. If it can stay above, then yeah, like I said, wick filled be my first target, and then my next target is all the way up to 718. This 4 hour candle has no bottom wick right here. I'm not even going to put a level in because there's one right below. It's very close, 30 pips away. Support to support. Do have a nice support down here. So that'll be my 4 hour support. And then resistance wise, 4 hour resistance at 2690. So those are the 4 hour levels. Looking for either a retest or a bounce or push up. Morning, Caswell. All right, 30 minute, so we can get some immediate trades. So resistance, lower time frame, and then support right here. All right, so these are the levels I'm looking for on gold. Looking for either a breakout or a retest. Maybe like a break and retest. Maybe a retest of this broken resistance here for continued buys up. Yeah, looks good. There's nothing to the left for now. It's quite far away. So I'm gonna keep an eye on gold. If we break this resistance, looking for buys up to a closure above. Very simple for gold. All right, pound yen, which just kept on falling, I see. So yesterday morning on pound yen, I said, see, the daily was very weak, bullish. I think when the stream started, I was more inclined for sells, especially if price broke the daily low, which it did, and then it pushed back up. But I'll look at that on the lower time frames in a second. But I did say if it breaks the daily low, we should see a push down. Obviously, we push down, and now today we're already tapping into this daily support. Now with GJ, it likes to bounce off of these daily levels. As you can see, it's done 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Today could potentially be, that 5th time, or we could break. First target would be the next daily support, 193.4, and then obviously we keep going further down. But if we reach there, then I'll mark a next level. But for now, this target here, 100 pips away, that's my first sell target. Okay, 4 hour. Do have a 4 hour resistance right where the daily opened, and then the next one above is this 197.5 support right where this daily support is. I'm just going to take that off and just leave the zone. So it's quite a strong support that we have right here. Very strong support. So just got to see what price does. Just check on the lower time frames. It's kind of like a closure below right here. So support, closure below, retest. I think we push down some more. We'll see how this candle closes. If it closes weak bullish, and we've got a continuation pattern, and the sales are definitely there. I'm just cautious that we're at a daily support and 4-hour support, and that price might push back up. So I'm still cautious of the buyers, and just because of those levels there. We have a daily 30-minute support just below. Any more supports to the left? Yeah. Let me just see how close these are. And another support down there. Okay, not too bad. Got some decent ranges to play with. If we break below, what's that? 53 pips. It's not bad. Some resistance right here. Okay, so these are the levels on pound yen. Looking for the sells, I believe, unless we get a closure back above and we have a fake out. But really, I won't be looking for buyers until we get a closure above at least this resistance, above 194.95. So that's the daily analysis. And just mark this resistance at the highs. It's like a good lower high structure point right here. This is a nice closure below right here. If this daily resistance, this daily support wasn't here, I'd probably be looking for sells when this candle breaks the low. But I think with this support right here, I'm going to wait for a closure below this support. Or a weak bullish candle, the continuation pattern to go down. So that's what I'm looking for today. Oh, morning, Benny. Let's see if DJ gives us some moves. Benny, I missed a lot yesterday. So yesterday, where was price? Where were we? Here. Okay, so yesterday I was waiting, London session, waiting for a closure below. I guess we were all waiting for this closure below. It barely closed. Price pushed down and then came back up. This here is the reason I don't like to take trades after 9 and in between 11, because it's sort of like that crossover time between the London Open and New York Open, and it can kind of range. So it pulled back, and then 11 o'clock it just dumped. 100 pips. So 100 pips was about 100 pips. Yep, just 100 pips and then continue dropping. So I missed that. This time is kind of when I do what I need to do. Breakfast, lunch, you know what I mean? Actually went out. Went to the shops. Costco, big supermarket. Bulk buy some things. And all of this had happened. By the time I got back, I was keeping an eye on the charts. But after this drop, I didn't even see I don't really like trading when I'm not at the laptop and I haven't really planned for it. So it did have a closure below right here. Like I said, I was out. Nothing like trading when you're distracted. Yeah, price pushed down. I think this probably would have been an entry for me because I start looking at the charts around 11:30. So yeah, it would have been a closure below on the 30-minute, and then probably this would have been to sells down. Yeah, by the time I looked, even there was news yesterday, 1:30, 1:15. I don't think much happened in the markets. And then yeah, we sort of just had this rangy, not much movement after that. Supposed to have like 30 pips. Then it pulled back up. I was looking for a reversal or a retracement, at least. Because price normally retraces after a big drop. It did retrace, obviously. How much? 78 pips. But yeah, it just wasn't what I would have liked to see. So this is a nice support candle. Engulfed the previous one. I just didn't like that this resistance was right here. I was more waiting for a closure above this resistance. It happened, but at this point it's kind of late in the day. Look, 4 p.m, 4:30. I don't really like taking trades that late, so I just let it go. But it did push up slowly or towards the end of the day. But yeah, I wasn't too bothered. So on gold though, I did catch some gold buys. So after the news, where did I get in? I took like 30 pips. Gold here. I remember after this, so we had ADP in this candle, and then unemployment claims on this candle. So once this candle closed bullish like this and broke the last high, I got in here and I held it, I think up to like 65. Yeah, it's about 30, it's about 40 pips I think I took yesterday. Yeah, this closure above, and then I just held, closed at 65. So yeah, quick in and out on gold. Yeah, I'm just waiting for GJ to drop some more or push up, wherever it wants to do. GJ dropped so fast I didn't get an entry. It was a nice drop from what it looks like. I didn't actually see it happen. I just remember looking back at the charts and price was like in the 195s, or it was just like low 196. I was like, what happened here? Just dropped. I mean, I don't even know where I would have. I don't think I would have been able to take an entry because I like closures below. I like to sell from a resistance. So now if this candle had closed below, then I would have taken a sell on the next one. But it just dropped straight down. I think some people in the Discord caught it though. I think Sharon said she caught 92 pips, so she got a very good entry. Look, Caswell caught some of the sells, right? Caswell was eating yesterday. Alright, coming our 30-minute candle. What are we doing? So it's a new 15-minute candle. It's a nice rejection. Can't make you a top wick. Break the low. push down. Yeah, caught some continuation pattern. Yeah, nice, nice. Yeah, it's a shame I had to go out. It wasn't really planned, but basically with Costco, because you're bulk buying, everything is massive. So my friend got a big car, big BMW X6 or X6, I think it is. So yeah, we pack up his car and waters and washing up stuff. So it was kind of last minute. He just said, yeah, I'm around, let's go. So we just went. I missed the trading. And then he was chilling here for a bit, so I couldn't be like, all right, thank you, but fuck off. I've got to get back to the business. I should have. I missed it all. I'm taking a break. Okay. Breaking a low, yeah? I would like for GJ to keep pushing. I mean, it's daily. It's broken a daily low. We're below this support. I think the sales look very good. Is that you in then, Benny? Did it break the low? Oh, not yet. Not yet. It's kind of like got to break its own low. There we go. This is good. I want to close you below. How big is this stop loss there? I want to start with the previous highs. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. No thanks. That 50 pip stop loss. Hey. I might have to use the M15 as a stop loss. Alright, 6 minutes till this candle closes. Hopefully it doesn't push down too far. Let's see what it does. I'm just making the yen bullish. Stop loss got to be the previous 15 minutes. Yeah, 100%. 100%. So look how big this wick is. Massive. Alright, 3 minutes. Hope you get the closure below. I hope we don't have another incident, another thing like yesterday where it closes just below, but not quite. Go on, give us a nice closure. It's not bad. Ooh, might be a manual entry if this thing just pushes. Alright, I've got a sell stop. Got a sell stop right here. And this trade is not based on the 15. I'm only on the 15 because I'm using the 15-minute as a stop loss, which is right here at just about 30 pips. Oof. All right, GJ, let's go. Just got to make a bit of a longer top wick. Okay, might retest this broken support before it pushes down. come on, GJ, push. It should not go above the support. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It should not. Go and re-break the low and push. Do. Alright, where am I going to lock some in? I think I'm just going to let this drop, you know. If it gets down to like 10 pips, I think I want to move my stop loss to break even at least. Or maybe reduce my stop loss when the next 15-minute candle opens. Yeah, I'm gonna do that instead because I don't want it to hit my stop loss. But I would like to make this stop loss shorter if possible. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close before I do anything. As well, my stop loss is on the support now. Okay, good. Oh, we're dropping. Alright, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even now. In fact, no, I'm gonna reduce it. I'm gonna put it right here. I don't want this 15-minute high to be broken now after this push down. So it's gone from being like 30 pips to 9 pips. I'm most likely gonna lock some in if it gets to 194 because it's a psychological number. So that would be like down here. If it gets back down there. Nice trade, 12 pips up so far. Once it gets to that 16, I'm gonna take some out. Hopefully it just slaps right past. Oh, perfect. All right, now I'm closing here. I didn't even have time to press it, which is perfect. So actually it was at 97. It's around 97. So that 19 pips. I've closed some. And now my stop loss, move my stop loss to break even. Alright, that's done. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. It's a good start to the year. Alright, let's see where it goes. It's a very nice trade. Use a 15-minute for stop loss. Reduce the risk. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Well done, guys. Well done. I like when we don't have to wait 2 hours. Hopefully this runner keeps on running. all the way down to TP. Let's go. Last 2 months on GD was hell on earth. It was so bad, wasn't it? Oh my god, it was so bad. It was so bad. Man. But you know they say 80% of your profits for the year are made in like 2 months. Something crazy like that. Boom. Just that TP nearly hit. Go on, 76. Boom. There we go. TP hit. Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. That's another winner on the table. Honest GJ is going to keep on going. But I'm glad with this trade right here. It's a nice winner. Nice range. I mean, my target is still this daily support. But I'm good with that. How many pips was that? Like 40 pips. 40 pip runner. Alright guys, we caught the trade. I think I'm done now. Nah, not really. Not really. Not really. Gold is saying nothing. But we can take that off. 1 win. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna look for some buyers back up. I'm gonna look for a retracement. I am. If GJ gets down to this daily support, I reckon it might bounce or form a nice support, push back up a little bit, retrace some of this drop before it comes back down. Kind of like what it did yesterday. It did yesterday, like up here. Just a little retracement before the drop. But the setup would have to be super nice, strong confirmations, all of that. Alright, I'm gonna go get a hot drink while I wait for these candles to close. Nothing happening on gold. GJ hit TP. Yeah, I'll be back. I am back. Look at that pullback. You know, sometimes I used to think, oh, forget the TP. Let me just let the runner run. But this is exactly why closing at TP is a good idea. Because if this decides to pull all the way back to my entry, which it looks like it might do, then I've wasted all of this runner. And this is pulled back in the same candle. So it's not even like I would have had time to move my stop loss into profit after moving it into break even. So stuff like this is a good reminder. Just get out where you planned. Don't try hold for too much. You know, wait for another opportunity if it continues. Oh shit. What's that? Another closure below, maybe? Caswell says continuation candle. Oh, Caswell. It looks very good. The M15 has no bottom wick as well. Which is even better. It's looking very good, you know. I can't lie. It's looking very good. This is looking good. Do you know what? As much as I love a continuation pattern, I just can't use the 15 minutes as a confirmation. It's against my rules. It's against my rules. But I really hope it does play out for you guys. 8 o'clock. To be honest, I was kind of looking for like a bit of a retracement before it fell back down, just because it's bounced off this support. But we could just break right through. I think if I'm going to get in again, it needs to be at 30-minute resistance. I need a 30-minute res. Right. Oh, gold's dropping. Wonder how far it will drop. Daily's flipping bearish. I kind of like the look of gold, you know, I can't lie. Oh, that's gone. never mind. Gold looked like a fake out to me. Closure above, closing back below. Daily's flipping bearish. If I'd come back to it and caught it in time, I would have taken an entry right at this daily flip, but as you can see, it's dropping. Okay, gold. Go on, GJ. What did this come up to? The high at 11. Like I really like this continuation pattern, but I like the pattern in general. Only thing I don't like about this trade is that it's selling into a support. It's going to be enter, but we're approaching support and the range is too small. Yep. Yeah, it's the support part that I really am not keen on. Looks like gold's retracing. That trade wasn't meant to be. Alright, 30-minute, tap that support again. The thing is, it could still continue down, but it's going to keep reacting to that support. So ideally, if I want to take another sell, like I said, I either need the resistance or I need this candle to close below this support to continue down. So the same thing again, closure below or sell from resistance if there's like a nice big range. Ben says taking gold sells. Yeah, it looked like it came up, made a top wick, and might push down again. It's looking good. Wait, what? Yeah, it does look like it wants to keep selling. But you know, with gold, I like this rejection. Oh, we got some good sells today. Good sells. If you held the full position, would have had a whole 40 pips. A whole 40 pips. I don't know, man. I don't trust gold. See if the next M15 makes a support and pushes back up. Could just be making a nice range to adjust. Now that's the new resistance, because that one's been broken. So now it's making a new range. This is a massive range on gold though. 98 pips, nearly 99 pips. If you get a support formed on the next candle, and we've still got what, 40 pips. Depends how big the support is. Could buy back up to the resistance. And keep an eye on that. It's eye there on gold, because I mean the structure is still quite bullish, right? But if you're gonna draw a line to all the lows, it's still trending up. I like this GJ retracement, can't lie. So now the trade would have hit break even. The trade would have hit break even right here. If I let the runner run and didn't close at the TP. Do you know, that's not doing anything. See what gold's doing. See if this 15 is going to make a support. Keep pushing down. Let's keep an eye on the price. So with pound yen, I'm either looking for, to be honest, it's going to be on the 30-minute. So I'm going to either retest here like that, and then to continue down, or like a bigger pullback to continue down. This is what I want to see. Yeah, so a pullback to like a broken support. If it does come all the way back up here, this is a good, what, 60 pips? Maybe about 50, 60 pips. Do you know what I mean? So if this 30-minute candle here closes above the previous one, it engulfs, I think I could get at least a 20 pips out of it. At least like a little 20 pips out of the push-up. But it's counter trend, so I wouldn't be trying to hold for too long. But the setup would have to be, you know, A++. Ooh, there we go. Oh, that 15-minute created that support. Kind of had a feeling. do that. I don't know, gold could still push down, to be honest. If it doesn't, depends how this support forms, could get a continuation pattern and then it push down on the next 30-minute candle, like keep pushing. Why does music get so loud? See how this 30-minute looks. Go on GJ. GJ is what I really wanted to close, like above this support and above this previous 30-minute candle. That's what I want to see. I want a bit more of a pullback. Oh, gold's pushing. There's no sales on gold right now. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Does not look like it. Especially when the daily didn't stay bearish. Do you know what I mean? It's obviously pulled back up. That's why I'm just not a fan of this 15-minute time frame. And when this kind of rejected and pushed back up, it didn't look like it wanted to keep coming back down. But for the buys now, it's too close to the resistance. It's a bit too close now for the buys. If it closed a little bit lower, then yeah. And even a closure above, like this M30 res, the next resistance is like 30 pips away. That's normally a gold stop loss. That 30 is about 30 pips. Just less than 30 pips. Yeah, nah. I wonder if gold's broken yesterday's high. No, it hasn't, obviously. Oh, it has. That's weekly high. Up here. Cool. Yesterday's high. I think I'll wait for gold to break above at 2669. So if it gets to 2670, then I'll be looking for buys on gold. Might get that GJ engulfing I was looking for. If GJ closes above this support, then I'm going to take it off. And then we'll have a nice range, like a new range. Alright, let's see how this candle closes. 1 minute left. Can we get a nice push? below the support. I think gold's going to keep pushing up. Take this off so y'all know what I want to see now. Now pounding's either going to hold at this support and then drop back and make a resistance, so like a role reversal, support turn into resistance, or it keeps pushing back up, like continues to pull back towards this next support and either forms a resistance here or a lower high anywhere within this range to come back down. One thing I am very cautious of is like this area being a rejection area and GJ closing like above this support, the daily support. Remember, this is a daily support right here where we've tapped into many times. So like potentially pulling back up. Gold break 67, gonna keep pushing. Strong push up on gold. Nice market structure. We had the engulfing, but it's not really pushing up much. Well, you know how GJ is. 10 minutes before the candle closes on the hour or 30-minute, that's when it likes to move. Looks like gold's respecting that resistance. Okay, GJ, there you go. GJ pushing, gold dropping. Oh, I feel like I'm getting sick. And I've got to head out later in this cold weather. Oh Lord. Not looking forward to it. Oh, GJ pulled back. Wow. Alright, now I'm going to break down what I want to see up until New York session. And then leave it here because I don't think anything's going to happen just yet. So with pound yen, obviously I'm very bearish on pound yen. I do believe, this is my first target anyway, 193.4 for pound yen to continue down, and then potentially reject it and then push back up and possibly close above 194.6 or close to there. That's because that's quite a strong daily support level there. See, 4 hour. So 4 hours tapped to 4 hour resistance. I mean support. But yeah, down to same level anyway. I was looking for a retracement before it continued down, but it looks like it's just going to keep on dropping from now. To be honest, it's pushed up, now it's rejected, which is still fine because there was a 30-minute support right here, which I thought it might retest and push back down, but it sort of broke up first. So even sells from here. I just want to see a resistance on the lower time frame first before I look for some more sells. That's pound yen. On gold. Gold, I want a closure above 2670 to keep pushing up, or a closure below 2656 for the sells. Bear in mind, I will check with your brokers. Gold might be closing early today because of USD holiday for one of the presidents that recently died, Jimmy Carter, who died. This current 4 hour, it doesn't have a bottom wick. So yeah, gold might actually have a pullback, make a bottom wick before it continues up, potentially. But I don't think I'm going to be looking at gold much during the NY session anyway. Oh yeah, look at GJ. That was like, it's like a 30 pip drop, maybe like 28 pips. Yeah, 33. Look at that. Pull back on GJ. Oof. Yeah, so I don't take trades after 9. And I'm constantly reminded why I shouldn't. So I'm going to wait. But yeah, I'm just waiting for some market structure. Looks like I'm going to get the resistance there. Potential closure below this support. And I think GJ, yeah, just keeps on going. Down to the daily support, which is now how many pips away? 60 pips away. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I'm gonna go make some breakfast, sort out some stuff to get ready for later, but I'll be in the Discord. See you guys there. See you later, Rosie. See you.